Hey Charles, this is Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to speak to my associate Elizabeth earlier today. She did say to address this email and video to the internal team. In this quick video, we're going to go over three things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, you may be asking, why are we making this video? Well, in our research, we found that a lot of small business owners, such as yourself, are too busy, dealing with your customers and your employees, and you just don't have time to learn how the internet works to bring in more customers. We feel the only thing that's stopping you from, hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So what we do basically do is put together these attack plans and we give them away for free. Some people take these plans and implement them on their own. Some people call us back. So whatever you decide is totally fine with us. All we ask is that you just give us a little bit of feedback after the video. Now, the three things we're going to go over, one is going to be content, two is going to be backlinks, and the third is going to be citations. Now, content is any words on your website. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything that someone may type into Google looking for a particular product or service. Now, these keywords should be placed throughout your website, which tells Google exactly the terms that you want to be ranked for. For example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to have keywords on your website like plumber, Oceanside, leaks, floods, etc., telling Google, who then tells the end user that you exist. So if we take a look at your website here, we can see love this. I do this a lot with my websites. It just keeps people on the page a little bit longer. They like to see these videos. I like the way you guys have a caption page here. That's spot on, and this tells about what your services are. Some of the services that you guys do. You have a $20,000 guarantee, which is fantastic. But if we take a look here and we can see how many words you have on your page, you have about 1,000 words, which is great. One of the things that I did notice when I was searching your page is that um, you have your H1 tag as roofing Rochester, New York, which is great, but then you have it as a H2 tag. You probably might want to take that out. It gets a little confusing for Google. And then down here, I noticed that you have replacement, gutters and sidings, roof repair as H3s. You probably want to change those to H2s in the hierarchy of things. And then, you don't really need these as H2s, but I think roofing repair is kind of like a subtitle to what you guys are doing in your business. So that's just a little tidbit. I kind of going off on the beaten path on that one. But yeah, so you guys have 1,000 words of content, and if we take a look at your next competitor, we can see here. We'll take a look at their webpage. Greg the Roofer, we can see here he has his services. He has a mailing list too that comes up. They offer financing. So let's just see here. Let's see how many words he has on his page. Take a look here, 300. So you guys are definitely beating them up there. And we'll take a look at Cameron's page, Cameron Roofing. They have a here, testimonials, they have a blog, they have a little video there about their company. Okay. And if we take a look at their page, we can see how many words they have. Okay, they have about 560 words. So again, you guys are definitely doing a fantastic job with the word count in terms of beating these guys out, but they are outranking you organically, and I can show you why in a minute. But yeah, I think just adding, another 500 to 2,000 words of relevant content, we should be able to surpass these guys and do some of the other strategies that I'm going to mention. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about backlinks. Now, backlink is anywhere you find a website linking to another website via clickable hyperlink. Now, these links act as an endorsement of your website, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing other businesses vouch for your business. Now, the internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win the competition. But however, not every backlink is created equal, so you want to be careful. You don't want to go out there and get, irrelevant backlinks like a backlink from Domino's or Pizza Hut because, Google knows that you guys are not a pizza company, so that's not going to be relevant to what you guys do for your business. You want to go out there, maybe get HVACs, maybe get a news site to refer you, maybe write a blog for another company. Those kind of links are what you want to go after. So I use a paid tool called Ahrefs to check backlinks. So if I can take a look at your page here, we see that you guys have 111 backlinks, 23 referring domains, and you guys are being found for 26 keywords. And those 26 keywords are bringing you in about 2 clicks every single month in regards to traffic to your website. And if we take a look at your competitor, we can see here that they have 891 backlinks, 18 referring domains. Keywords they're being found for is 140 and 83 organic clicks to their website every single month. And if we look at the third competitor, we can see that they have 224 backlinks, 46 referring domains, 432 keywords, and organic search every single month on their website. They're getting traffic of 139 clicks every single month. So I think implementing a really solid backlink strategy, we can definitely go after these guys. And basically, what I usually do is, what's good for them is good for us. If there are keywords that they're ranking for, we can go in here, we can check out, and we can say, hey, what keywords are they most getting most of their traffic for? Roofing, Rochester, New York. It's getting about 250 search volume per month. These guys are in the 5th position, and they're getting 29 clicks from that search every single month to their web page. Roof repair, Rochester, New York, another one, 4013, they're number 2. Roofers, Rochester, New York, 100, they're getting 8 traffic, 5. And so this is where their traffic is coming from, these keywords that they actually have on their website through their content. So it's a very powerful strategy in terms of getting more content and viewers to your website. Um, and so now the third thing we're going to talk about citations. Now, citations is your name, address, and phone number showing up in directories exactly as it appears on your Google My Business profile. Citations help you rank higher in the map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses like yourself, since these can be a huge revenue generator. The more your citations go up, your name, address, and phone number appear in more directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau. Then there are hundreds of other ones. Social media sites are a good one as well. The idea is that your brand, your name brand of your company is being found all over the internet. And the more your name is out there, the more Google's going to trust you. Once they see your name more than your competitor's name, they're going to rank you guys higher. So I just did a little simple search here, and we did roof repair, Rochester, New York. Obviously, we know this is the Google guarantee where these are paid ads. And then this is the organic kind of map pack here. And this is where you want to get more citations than your competition. Allstate Roofing and more. If they have 20 citations, we want to go out and get 30 or 40 citations. Top to bottom roof repair and home improvement. If they have 50, we want to go out there and get 60 and 70 and so on and so forth. Now, here's where your competition is outranking us in terms of the organic search and the keywords that they have on their website. So we have Greg here, Greg the roofer here is number 1, and Cameron's number 2, respectively. I believe that if we implement the strategies, getting more content on our website and embedding those organic keywords, which we looked at, roof Rochester, New York, into our website, we can easily outrank these guys and become the top guy when people search in Rochester, New York. So again, just in recapping, we want to get 1,500 to 2,000 words on the website. We want to go out and get backlinks. We want to get relevant backlinks to what we do. We want to write guest posts and blogs so that we're relevant in our community, our local searches. And then we want to go out there and get more citations than our competition. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching this website, this video. You can do one of two things right now. You can implement this plan on your own, but just keep in mind it does take some time to get started. So you want to start as soon as possible so you can start profiting. Or you can just give us a call. Our number's at the bottom of the screen, and we would love to help you outgrow your competition. I want to just say thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.